million. 30 seconds, y'all. 30 seconds. Count. 30 seconds. That's 5 mil. Over 5 mil. Okay. Here, let me just bend over. Anyway, it's no surprise that advertising during the Super Bowl has become somewhat of a competition on its own, since many people who aren't all that interested in the game anyway will tune in just for the commercials. Brands will often get the help of celebrities or use of other strategies to get people to talk about their advertising. So I got the leak, and I got what commercials are going to be out this year. So we've got Budweiser, Stella Artois, PETA. Can you believe that? Yeah, it's something about the meat. I don't know. Amazon.com, Pringles, M&M's, Tide, Michelob Ultra, Universal Studios, Doritos, Mountain Dew, Lexus, Febreze, Groupon, and avocados from Mexico. Holy guacamole, flockers. Well, now you know a little history about the Super Bowl. Something to impress your buddies with while you're watching the game this Sunday at 5:30 Central Standard Time on NBC. May the best team win. I love her. Brenda Birch right there with Sugar Fix, and I hope you guys have been schooled and you learned something about the Super Bowl now, didn't you? Now, you can go and impress your peeps when they come over for the game and go, hey, and just act like you already knew that when you actually learned it from me, because I'm so wonderful. Speaking of wonderful, I got Clay Justice right here with his song, Wonderful.
This morning, lying by my side, the best things happened to me in my life. You were lying on the bed, a prettier sight I'd never seen, and there you were, the girl of my dreams. Ain't it wonderful to be so young and free? Ain't it wonderful that you're right here with me? Oh, it's wonderful to be so satisfied. Girl, it's wonderful. Whoa. It didn't take a moment for you to catch my eye. God knows you're a looker, you still have all the charm. I couldn't hardly wait to hold you in my arms. Ain't it wonderful to be so young and free? Ain't it wonderful that you're right here with me? Oh, it's wonderful to be so satisfied. Girl, it's wonderful, oh, to be alive. Ain't it wonderful to be so young and free? Ain't it wonderful that you're right here with me? Oh, it's wonderful to be so satisfied. Girl, it's wonderful, oh, to be alive. Be alive.
Dragging mama's high heels across the throw rug. With every childlike step she tried to take, she said, Mama, it's not easy being grown up. She laughed and then a tear ran down her face. She said, Mama, I'm trying to walk in your shoes, stumbling but haven't fallen, trying to be like you. I got a long way to go, there's a lot of going through, trying to walk in your shoes. As she got older, she gave in to nightlife and did what Mama prayed she'd do it up. She said nothing good happens after midnight. Well, it took some time, but she turned her life around. She said, Mama, I'm trying to walk in your shoes. I'm stumbling but haven't fallen, trying to be like you. I got a long way to go, there's a lot of growing room, trying to walk in your shoes. Now she's got a little girl who looks just like her. Now she knows the love a mama feels, and you know it stirs up memories inside her when she sees her baby walking in her heels. And she said, Mama, I'm trying to walk in your shoes, stumbling but haven't fallen, trying to be like you. I got a long way to go, there's a lot of growing room, trying to walk in your shoes. I'm trying to walk in your shoes.
That's my country Abigail right there, Nina Palacios, and that is right there for my man Phil. He is in the chirp chat, and since I'm talking about my boy Phil, here you go. We got to pay the bills. Get your monthly dose of crazy every last Friday of the month at 7 a.m. Central Standard Time on the Black Dog Morning Show with your host Phil Krantz and Lori Lynn, a.k.a. The Dog and the Bird Hour on WAAKradio.com and 94.7 FM. It's the most anticipated talk show about everything everyone thinks about but is afraid to say out loud. Never leave a dog and a bird alone, honey. You never know what will happen.
cut, got some tasty garlic too. Bell pepper and celery is ready to go. We all have our evening set for Cajun gumbo. Gumbo, gumbo, we're gonna have a good time on the old bayou. Gumbo, gumbo, you can smell it in the air, that's for sure. Gumbo, gumbo, diggy-liggy-lie and diggy-liggy-low. Gumbo, gumbo, we're gonna have a good time on the old bayou. Chicken, sausage, and pork tasso, in the pot you go. Let it foam a little more, start to fade dough. Shake a leg, have some fun, eat some good gumbo. That's what we do on Saturday nights in the swamp on the old bayou. Gumbo, gumbo, we're gonna pass a good time on the old bayou. Gumbo, gumbo, you can smell it in the air, that's for sure. Gumbo, gumbo, diggy-liggy-lie and diggy-liggy-low. Gumbo, gumbo, we're gonna have a good time on the old bayou. Gumbo, gumbo, we're gonna have a good time on the old bayou. Gumbo, gumbo, you can smell it in the air, that's for sure. Gumbo, gumbo, diggy-liggy-lie and diggy-liggy-low. Gumbo, gumbo, we're gonna have a good time on the old bayou.
Aye, that is my favorite song right here, and right now it's a perfect time because, peeps, it is almost Mardi Gras. That's Clint Robin with his Gumbo song, and you are listening to the Super Bowl Flock Show special with your cheerleader, the Songbird. What's up, people? You know, the Super Bowl is Sunday, and you've been living under a rock. You better go to the store now. Because if you choose to go, like, you're just kind of going, like you're looking in your fridge and you're like, okay, like, let's talk about, like, it's Sunday, okay? You go to your fridge, you're like, oh, man, you know, you're scratching your head. Oh, what do I want? And you go in there and it's like 2, not even 2, let's say 12. Oh, I'm out of this. And you think that you're just going to run to the store. You better get your stuff, like, on Friday. Wait, is today Friday? No, tomorrow's Friday. See, I don't know my days. I don't know my time zones, and I don't know my days. Go to the store tomorrow, y'all. I don't care if you're going to watch the show or if you're not going to watch the show. You need to go because it's going to be cray out there, okay? The Songbird said. So if you've got something to do, and if you got to work, you got to tell your boss, look, I got to get off early because I got to go to the store. Right now, I'm going to play Allie Randolph. Now, Allie, I don't know if y'all saw my post, but I asked you guys to help me work on my playlist today. And holy guacamole, people, Allie Randolph has some peeps. She has a fan base, and those peeps helped her out. And I'm going to shout out to Joyce and Mike and Anna and Bradley and Yvonne. They told me what to play, and so I'm going to do it. So right now, I'm going to do a twofer for her because they told me to. And I am not going to be the bad one because I love doing